What's going on guys, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SS Tech tutorial. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can troubleshoot your corrupted memory card and try to fix it. I'm not assure you that following this step your memory card will gonna fix, but most of the time it get fixed with this step what I'm gonna show you in this video. Many of my friend comes to me with their memory card and ask me to fix it, and whenever I attempt the step whatever I know to fixing the memory card or troubleshoot the SD card, it get fixed with these steps. So in this video I'm gonna share with you all the steps I do to troubleshoot a memory card. So without talking too much, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you had already subscribed, then thank you so much. Okay guys, so first of all make sure your memory card reader or SD card reader is okay, because most of the time it happened that your memory card is okay but your memory card reader or SD card reader is get damaged. So first make sure your SD card reader is okay. Then take your damaged SD card and connect your SD card with the SD card reader. Then connect it with your computer. Okay, now you can see my memory card is not detecting. Now if I go to Windows Explorer, you can see I am not getting the SD card. It only showing USB drive E. Now let me show you how to fix it. So click on Start and search for Manage. Then go to Device Manager and open it. Then from here go to Disk Drive. You can see here that my computer detect a mass storage device USB device, and this is my SD card. Then what you need to do, click on Start and search for Create Partition and Format Hard Disk, this option, and open it. You can see it taking some time, so you have to wait. And now here you can see it's showing me my memory card is unlocked. So now what you need to do, just simply right click on it, click on New Simple Volume, then click on Next, again Next, then Next. Make sure to select NTFS or FAT32 from here, then click on Next, then again Finish. You can see here it show the data error, recycling redundancy check. So just simply unplug the SD card from your computer, then again connect it. You can see it not detecting. So now let's check another option. Now click on Start and search for CMD and run it as an administrator. Then write on your command prompt disk part and hit enter, and it will open up the partition tool of your Windows computer. Then simply type here list disk, then hit enter, and here you can see I have 30 GB SD card connected. Then you need to select this SD card. So type here select disk, then type the disk number, then hit enter. Now my disk 2 is selected. Now type here clean. Now here you need to know one thing, all the data will be erased from my memory card. So you have to know this. So now let's hit enter, and also you can see this part is not working. Close the terminal, open up your browser and search for SD card formatter. Then go to this first website and download the SD card formatter from here. Accept the license agreement, then click on download. And it will download a SD card formatter. I had already downloaded it and installed it on my computer. Now click on SD card formatter and open it. And now here you can see it get detected. I'm using this SD card on my security camera, Xiaomi security camera. So now it detected. Just normally click on format. Then click on yes. And you can see now that formatting is completed. Now if I open this PC or Windows Explorer, and you can see my SD card is fixed. So these are the basic steps to troubleshoot your SD card. Now let me show you another options. Also sometimes it's happened that you connect your memory card, it will detecting but you cannot access it. Whenever you double click on it, you'll not get the SD card. So there is another option to fix it. And to fix this type of SD card, you need to change the letter path, this drive letter path. So let me show you how to change it. Again click on Start and search for Create and Format Hard Disk Partition. Then here you will get your disk. Right click on it, then click on Change Drive Letter and Path. Then click on Change, and from here select a different letter path or drive letter. Let's select O. Then click on OK. Then click on Yes. And it will change your memory card drive letter and you will get access to your memory card. Also guys, there is another error. It will happen that you connect your SD card and it will ask you to format. So don't format it. Before formatting it, right click on it, click on show more option, then go to properties. Then from here, click on tools, then click on check and again click on scan and repair drive, and it will scan your SD card and it will try to fix your SD card. So guys, these are the steps I always follow to troubleshoot or fix my SD card or memory cards. So whenever you get a corrupted SD card, don't just break it or throw it away. Try all of these troubleshooting options, and if you are lucky, you'll get your memory card fixed. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching Tech Tutorial, and I'm signing out.